Hey, what's up everybody? It's Laura at Vegan RV, and today we are finally going to show you the video of us taking our little new Delica out on its first outing. We head into the mountains here in southern Baja through the town of Santiago. We first stop up at a waterfall at Sol de Mayo, and then we get in some hot springs in Santa Rita. And then there's a few little odds and ends there too, but most of this is going to be us driving around dirt roads in the mountains and checking all that out. So have a look and see you in a minute. We are headed out to Santiago to check out some hot springs, and we're taking the new whip. So we're in Santiago, and it's a oasis. Look at all that water. Water that's not ocean. Crazy. I caught Kevin eating
cacahuate harponeses.
Yes. The best snack.
On the way in.
Sol de Mayo.
Remember, be careful. This is how Pete got hurt.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is waterfall hike.
Gotta be careful passing over those. It's like a gerbil bottle.
We use them on the farm a lot for like cows and horses and stuff, so that you can leave water on for them.
You're so cute. Yes, you are. We're going out in search of a waterfall, so we'll see how this goes.
A 3-hour tour.
Do you see the topo? There's a topo up there.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna throw my water bottle and try to climb up to the upper pool.
Hey, gals. It is beautiful in here.
How's it feel, Kevin? A little bit chill, dog?
Just a little bit.
But look how beautiful that is. We came up to the top of the waterfall.
You need to throw your water bottle in my bag? That's what she said.
So we just saw the waterfall, and apparently you can camp here if you're pretty small, and you can get over the you can get here. That's another issue.
The one thing I did see on the form that you have to sign
Yeah.
is that you don't chase the waterfall.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I got it in.
Yeah, you did.
We're here.
Kites.
Oh yeah, those are crazy looking.
Aquí se abre a las 8 de la mañana, se cierra a las 5.
What's up?
We just enjoyed a nice little tailgate lunch.
Tailgating.
Yep.
Now I see what you guys like about it.
Yes. Mostly the food. And now we're at Rancho Santa Rita. Well, that's where we had our tailgate lunch.
We don't Rancho Santa Rita.
And we're going to go get in a hot spring.
They're closed on Wednesday so far.
Yes. Miraculous.
Where is it?
That's the changing room.
One more thing. Miniature.
That's cool. Paul.
Don't be surprised.
Because he says somewhere at some point to go to the So I guess this might be the grassy area.
What?
The grassy area we're talking about.
Can I take a spot? I can move.
That's a great spot.
So we were just sitting in the nice
spring.
hot spring, and we came up to check out these other pools, and they're cold, like what was, where were we?
Like Wim Hof cold, glacier water cold.
Yeah, not that cold, but pretty cold.
Where the waterfall was.
Yes, where the waterfall was that you just saw. So, but look how beautiful this is. Oh my God.
That was cold. Why did I do that? That was a terrible idea. Minerals. It's about to get bumpy. You what? You were
Hey,
sick.
buddy.
Far away from Mama.
Oh, Mama's gonna be pissed.
Yeah, I know.
She's gonna see baby's gone.
Well, I guess she's not that worried about it.
She's like, alright, kid, you ran away.
Hashtag van life.
Get away, man.
There is a dam.
Yeah.
That's a pool where all the snakes are. And then there is the top side. You can see the water on the top. That's where all the hot springs and the fishes are.
Oh, shit.
So small. course it's video. Yeah, because I'm silly. So our house is in the trees over there. We're in the water. Waiting for whales. So we're waiting for Paul and Lorena to come out. We're waiting for mobiles. We're near where they were jumping. Let's see if he makes it this time. I think he's got it. Yay! We spend a good amount of time watching people get stuck out there, so good times.
Sending out our fire smoke signal for the
It's just not a video from Baja if there aren't some cows or goats in it, right? And you had both in this one. We also got out and tried to kayak with the mobilas. We weren't so successful this time, but future videos we did get to paddle around with them, and that was really neat. So you'll just have to wait for that. And if you want to know when we put out that video, then you'll need to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you will find out when the video comes out. Also, if you like this video, that helps other people get to see our videos. YouTube is a finicky beast, and every little bit like that helps. So we appreciate everyone. And we do have at least 1 or 2 more videos coming from Baja. So if you're interested in that, it's coming up. So till next time, bye.